Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing the Echo Dot 4th generation. As promised, I did a video about a month ago and featuring all the new products for Amazon. Yeah, so this is the Echo Dot. It just came out about probably a week ago. So this retails for $50. I'll throw a link in the description. I'm going to be showing you whether or not you should get this, if it's better than the 2nd or 3rd gen. And yeah, if it's worth upgrading or just getting in general. As you can see, it says right here, it is a smart speaker plus the keyword, and then you can do several things like help you wake up in the morning, you can call people on it, do all that other stuff hands-free. It comes with the Echo Dot 4th gen, the power adapter, and a setup guide. So on top you have a Amazon logo with the pull tab. Let's go ahead and get it out. I love Amazon's packaging. It's very simple, very nice. So it just tells you to download the app and how to set it up real quick. Getting into the box, here we have the speaker itself. Now Amazon did go for a spherical look. In the box you also have the power adapter, which we'll put to the side for a second. And then you also have a user manual and a quick start guide box. So here, like I said, you just have a quick start guide with some quick information, so just how to set it up and what you can do with your Amazon speaker, your Echo Dot. And then right here you have the power adapter. Here you have a 15-watt power adapter at 12 volts, 1.25 amps. Very similar to Apple's little HomePod mini. I guess everyone is going to go for the spherical look, which I personally do like. Let's go ahead and open this. A little bit bigger than a baseball. See on the bottom you just have a Amazon logo with the serial code and other stuff like that. And you have the manufacturing, the charging port, as well as a aux cable. I love this type of fabric. And right here you have a mute switch, a direct button to activate the assistant without saying the keyword. So if you're like at nighttime, you can just put this on your desk, press the button, and you'll just go ahead and ask it whatever you want without saying the word or triggering other devices nearby, which is really cool. You have a volume up and down physical buttons. There's no tap, which is really cool. I prefer this because you can actually look at what you're tapping and tap it. And then right here you have a ring which will light up blue. So let's go ahead and plug this in real quick. We'll set it up later. But just basically plug it in through the back and then just plug it in like so. There we go. So while it's starting up, I'm going to go ahead and download the app on my phone. Wow, dude, that sound?
Hello. Your device is ready for setup.
That is crazy. I could feel the rumbling of her voice. That is kind of crazy. This glow is just really nice. So when you mute the speaker, it will illuminate red and it'll have a sound indicator. Turn up the volume. That's at max volume. That is crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and... It's kind of annoying how it just does doon 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 every single second, but it's fine.
This device is ready for setup.
This is the app. So let's go and download it, and it does have pretty good rating. Downloaded, just go ahead and open it. It will ask you to sign in or create an account, but once you do that, you can do certain configurations, like it'll be extra security, and then you can contact people using the device. So right there, just go set up a device. It's going to search for a device and it's going to automatically pair to this. Echo Dot can be set up. Continue. So it's going to connect to the device. Just go to your Wi-Fi and go from there. From the phone to the speaker, which is pretty cool.
It's ready.
Paired. So we're done. Very simple. Setup devices like smart plugs, hue strips, other smart products. Like it's really small and has a rubber ring on the bottom so it won't slide anywhere when it's on your table. The mute on, which is pretty cool. It'll illuminate fully red. Subscribe to Tech Reviews TV.
Subscribe to Tech Reviews TV. You now have Amazon Music Unlimited on this Echo. Free no copyright beats for freestyle by Tremor.
$75%. Stop. Wow. Okay, that's pretty impressive. For 75%, it gets pretty loud. You can feel the rumble if it's on a desk or whatever. So if that matters to you, if bass or treble or whatever matters to you, you can obviously tweak them in the settings, I believe, similar to the Google Home. But like I said, 50 bucks. Definitely worth it for sure.
So you can do this with your family members. You can have the same notifications going on if someone pops in the door, or any notifications at all. It'll just ring on this device as well. You can set them up and link them up, and it'll just be really cool because you can just be like, instead of running to the other side of the house, you can just drop in on a certain family member and let them know that dinner's ready or something.
So that was the drop-in feature. As you can see, you get a little mic quality test. It is decent. It's not the best. Obviously, I was using a iPhone 6, which is a very old device. By the way, we'll be upgrading that very soon. It'll illuminate green once it has a drop-in feature or a linked account, I believe. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna have to link it up soon. But overall, this is a really good speaker, and I really like it. Overall, because it's only 50 bucks. You could get another separate speaker for 50 bucks and probably have similar sound tests. But this, for having it with a smart assistant, that is extremely good. And you can even just do this, like I said. Is it an upgrade between the second and first gen? 100%. If you have the first or second gen, get this and wait for Black Friday. You can buy it. It'll probably be on sale. As typical, Amazon usually makes them on sale for 25 to 30 bucks. I think this would be 30 bucks on Black Friday or during the holidays, because Amazon wants people to buy their new products, obviously, and test them out and then get into subscriptions and stuff. If you have the third gen and if you want to upgrade it to the new smart speaker, I don't recommend it. But if you just want a new speaker, then yeah, you can go ahead. Definitely worth it. This is gonna go to my setup for sure. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.